Hi, I'm going to tell you about the three apps that I found most interesting during my research. First of all, I'm going to show you Seesaw. So I'm going to go to my Seesaw website and I have an account. And you will see my classes. It is very easy to use and it is very nice to see your students' digital portfolios. Students can upload any kind of work and you can see and hear everybody's voice at all times, which is very nice. This is my Seesaw page. Here you have your classes. It's free. You can create a new class by clicking the plus button, and I will just go to my class Spanish 4, and here I will see the last entries my students added. If I click on an individual student here on the right, I will see all the items they have added through the year. Their parents are invited, and you can see how this particular student, it tells you here who this video has been seen by. So it's been seen by his mom. And often parents also make comments. I need to approve of anything before it's posted. So it is very nice. I love Seesaw. The next app I'm going to present, it's Sway, and it's a Microsoft add-on or app. It's very nice to create presentations, kind of like PowerPoints. It's really easy, and the final product is finished within minutes, and it looks really professional. You click on the Create New. It takes you to this page, and you can say, look. So you can, like, I don't know, I'm going to look for Frida. It is something I teach. Oh, it has 0 results. So we're going to go back. That was the option to create your own. But if you go to start from a topic, we will say Frida, and let's see. So here it's taken you to a pre-arranged kind of setting, and you can go and add or erase whatever you don't like, add pictures, add background. Let's say that I'm okay with everything he is adding in here for me. So I'm going to go say play. And there he's created this professional looking presentation with the added backgrounds and all. So it has the title. Here I would have added my plot and the cast, because he's thinking this is Frida the movie, which is nice. And it gives you, so it's really nice. I think it gives you a very well finished product very quickly. Moreover, if you click share, you can share it in different ways. You can get the link and put it in your Google Classroom. You can edit it at any time. And you can change anything within the presentation at any given time. By clicking the 3 dots, you have access to all your sways. You can create a new one. You can duplicate to create a new one, but not starting from scratch. You can save as a template. You can print it. You can export it. So I think it's really nice, and it's very easy to use. Finally, I am going to talk about Gubrix, which is an add-on for Google. I am in my Google Classroom right now. So I press here, all these boxes here, and I go to the bottom where it says more apps and more apps marketplace. And I'm going to click Gubrix, which I cannot download because my admin Gubrix, which is rubrics for Google. Oh, I found it before because it's Gubric. Okay, so rubric for Google. I think this is some kind of... So I cannot install Gubric because it's disabled by my admin. But what Gubric does is assigns a copy of the rubric to each of your students' assignments, and you can add comments and add the grade in this rubric. So the grading process, it's also paperless, which for me up to now it has not been paperless. And returning papers to students, it's something that I struggle with to do it in a orderly, timely manner, being the same all the time, right? That consistency of how I return my papers, the graded papers to my students, it's not always the same. And I think I would really benefit from these. So when I go back to school, I'm going to ask my admin to be able to have these. It's a free tool, and I think it looks really nice. I just have not been able to explore it more. So these are my 3 apps. There were many more that I liked. See, Aurasma, it's also a really nice one that I've used. Book Creator is one that I'm going to definitely use next year to have my students write their stories or summaries of the books we're reading. It has really nice reviews. It's just not free. You have to pay a yearly membership, and you can create classes, and so I've done that. I've asked for that, and I'm gonna get it. I just don't have access to it right now. So overall, lots of good things you can do. News ELA, I also use it, and my students like it. Nice, short, adapted readings about news topics that are current. So students really like that, and I can use them in Spanish and change the lexicon level. So it's very nice. Well, thank you.